Hello everyone, this is Jim Okerzinski with your week 2 screencast video. So this week we begin unit number 1, our literacy narrative unit. All right, and our reading for the week or for this unit is Megan Foss's Love Letters, and I'll get to that in a minute. So in the course unit you will find, there we go, literacy narrative. We're keeping this up as a unit. I talk about in the overview and the objectives. The purpose is how we write narratives and how we develop habits of the mind. This will give you a little bit of insight where we're going with this topic. We're going to write a literacy narrative. This is going to be your literacy narrative, beginning with inquiry and employing dialectical thinking, leading to self-discovery. You will discover the real motives for writing a personal essay about how you experience literacy in your life. So this is the purpose of the literacy narrative, and that is your essay 1 assignment. So for our readings, you will see that the main reading is Love Letters, Megan Foss's Love Letters. The PDF format is uploaded right there in the reading section. You can download and save this to your desktop for easy use. As I scroll through the Love Letters reading, you will see a section 1 here. And let me scroll through. This is a fascinating story about how a writing and purpose and audience all come together, and basically demonstrates how we get things done in the world. Let me see if I can get to the next part. Yes, here is section 2. You'll understand the sections because there's significant shift in the storyline, and it'll be on down towards section 3. So for this week, I will talk about the assessment, which is the literacy narrative essay in this week's lecture video, introduce that to you and where we're going with that in this course unit. Let's head over to the discussion boards real quick. Discussion boards 2 and 3 are all about love letters. So the focus here is purpose and audience, right? So after reading section 1 of Love Letters, what is Mickey's purpose for writing? Okay, I'm not going to give too much away. I want to make sure you can read it, that particular section, right? She was caught not mailing stories. Be sure to locate specific passages. So I am looking for textual support on this. So if I were to click in, we've already had 3 individuals write up the posts. Remember to be aware of the requirements of the initial post. So I'm looking for 250 to 300 words discussing the prompts above in an organized paragraph structure. Okay, so it's a lengthy post, and I will grade your post beginning this week with a rubric and judging their completeness. Do they meet the requirements? So please be aware of not only your initial post but also the responses. And we move on to discussion board number 3, sections 2 and 3 of the love letters, especially section 2. I urge everyone to take a good hard look at section 2. There are many examples of the purpose of writing and what it might do for Mickey's transformation. So purpose, writing, especially language. Take a look at language. I'll cover that a little bit more in the lecture video midweek, and it's something we'll focus on when we do the reading this week. So let me get back to my announcements here. So I want to make sure everybody's aware of the 2 discussion boards and the schedule. Initial post due Tuesday, initial post again on Friday for discussion board 3, and then your responses. 2 responses for discussion board 2 and 2 for discussion board 3 are all due Sunday. Okay, so it's important that everyone understand exactly where we're going for the week. Like I said, I will cover the essay assignment and introduce essay 1 on Wednesday, and we'll talk a little bit more about purpose and audience and writing and how to go about thinking for a possible topic of your literacy narrative. All right. That should wrap up just the basic screencast this week. So be safe and good luck.